I wanted to make a quick update. I've been using the ice pack and I've been changing my diet. What I'm doing is I'm eating bananas and grapes and snacking on better things. And I work at Panera at night, so I've been eating Greek salad. That's something I've discovered recently. All my life, I've never tried. I love it. Mediterranean veggie sandwich. I've been eating a lot of them from Panera. I've been combining all that. I think that's really the key to success. You can't just put this ice pack on your stomach and expect results. It's just not going to happen like that. You got to do something different. And I'm making some lifestyle changes, and I feel it physically and emotionally, and everyone's saying it's showing. I'm a very resilient person. I don't know if you noticed in the tattoo. That's a phoenix. It's coming out of my heart. I rise up every time. I'm tough. It took me a little longer this time, but I'm bouncing back. I'm realizing that I'm an emotional eater, so when I'm upset, I go for half a bag of candy, and I probably eat more than most people do. But I'm working on that, and I'm trying to find things that make me happy and work on myself. And the ice pack, getting back to that, I switched. This one is huge. I have been putting that on my stomach. I can't figure out how to upload pictures of myself, but I've got some pictures recently that reflect. You can see the change. I started at 142 pounds. I'm down to about 132 now, so that's about a 10-pound loss. And that's without major effort. I'm starting to really get more aggressive with it all. I really think it's working. And I think the ice pack can help, I don't know, it's like a metabolism booster maybe or something. They say if you shiver, that kind of burns calories because you're shaking around. Maybe that's what it is with this ice pack idea. I'm going to keep doing it. It's like a little science experiment for me, and my hypothesis is that if you combine it with other factors, it can't just be the ice pack. I really think eating fruits and vegetables and really changing your diet can kind of speed things up a little bit. So we'll see what happens. I'll do another update, and in the meantime, I'm going to try to figure out how to add a couple of these pictures that I took of myself. I was feeling pretty confident the other day. Went out, and I noticed I'm starting to get people's attention again, which is when I've been kind of like a ghost. People just ignore me like I'm invisible. So I'm noticing changes within myself, like I said. And I really hope this is helping someone out there. I'm not just making these silly videos rambling on for nothing. I'll post more about my diet. I've not really done much about that. I don't know a lot of the YouTube, I don't know how to put it. A lot of these people add screenshots up there of themselves, and they could put stuff up on their video. I don't know how to edit all that yet. I'm definitely no professional. So I will add what I can and make maybe another video or two when I have time. I am currently working 3 jobs, so you can't expect too much from me. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.